Today, we are excited to bring you top 12 coolest gadgets on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. iLick. iLick is the perfect companion for both kids and adults who love pets, with abundant emotions, idle animations, and interactive features. There are also other fun mini-games. Abundant interaction. Place on the desktop and experience iLick's world of emotions with just a touch. The head, belly, and back, each of which triggers different emotions. With a variety of expressions waiting to be discovered, you can also lift it or gently tap its head. Gentle or temperamental, it all depends on your interaction. Best of all, no need for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections. Just power on and play with him whenever you want. Mocap X. Mocap X is a cutting-edge motion capture system that revolutionizes animation and virtual reality experiences. This state-of-the-art technology captures every nuance of movement with unparalleled precision, translating real-world actions into digital perfection. Its ergonomic design ensures user comfort and freedom of movement, while the advanced sensors guarantee accuracy for lifelike animations. With Mocap X, creatives and developers can seamlessly bridge the gap between reality and the digital realm, opening new frontiers in gaming, filmmaking, and virtual simulations. Elevate your projects with Mocap X, where innovation meets the limitless potential of immersive motion capture. Teatronics LED Lamp. The Teatronics LED lamp is a beacon of modern illumination, seamlessly blending functionality with contemporary design. With adjustable brightness levels and color temperatures, this lamp caters to diverse lighting needs for work or relaxation. Its sleek, space-saving design features a flexible arm and rotatable lamp head for customizable lighting angles. Equipped with convenient touch controls and a USB port for device charging, the Teatronics LED lamp harmoniously combines style and practicality. Elevate your workspace or living area with this versatile lighting solution, enhancing productivity and ambience with a touch of modern sophistication. FunSnap. Introducing the FunSnap new hanging neck electric fan, a cutting-edge solution for personalized and hands-free cooling. Designed for comfort, this portable fan features a hanging neck design, allowing users to enjoy a refreshing breeze while on the move. With adjustable fan speed settings, it provides customizable airflow to suit individual preferences. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensure ease of use, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities, travel, or daily tasks. Embrace the future of cooling convenience with the FunSnap, where innovation meets comfort for a breeze of relaxation in any situation. Hohem iSteady V2. The Hohem iSteady V2 is a revolutionary gimbal stabilizer, redefining handheld videography with advanced features. Compact and versatile, it provides seamless stabilization for smartphones and action cameras, ensuring smooth footage even in dynamic environments. With multiple shooting modes, including pan follow, lock, and vortex, it caters to various creative needs. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly controls enhance the filming experience. Additionally, the iSteady V2 boasts an impressive battery life, allowing extended usage for uninterrupted shooting. Elevate your videography game with the Hohem iSteady V2, where stability meets innovation for stunning, shake-free videos on the go. 7Hug Smart Remote. The 7Hug Smart Remote is a game-changer in home automation, offering an intuitive and seamless control experience. This cutting-edge remote adapts to your environment, effortlessly managing multiple devices with its touchscreen interface. Its innovative smart location technology detects the device you're pointing at, ensuring precise control without manual selection. Compatible with thousands of devices, the 7Hug Smart Remote simplifies your home control, transforming your living space into a connected and responsive environment. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it's the ultimate solution for streamlined and smart home management. EchoSpot. The Echo Spot is a compact smart speaker with a built-in screen, combining Alexa's voice assistance with visual capabilities. Its round display provides at-a-glance information, weather updates, and video calling, all seamlessly controlled by voice commands. With a sleek design, the Echo Spot fits into any room, offering hand-free convenience for smart home control, entertainment, and communication. The device brings together the power of voice recognition and visual feedback, making it an ideal bedside companion or compact hub for managing your smart home ecosystem with a touch of futuristic elegance. Cricut Joy Machine. The Cricut Joy Machine is a compact and versatile cutting tool that brings creativity to life. Designed for simplicity, this smart cutting machine is perfect for quick and easy DIY projects. With the ability to cut a variety of materials, it allows for personalized creations such as labels, decals, cards, and more. The Cricut Joy Machine boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners while offering advanced features for seasoned crafters. Elevate your crafting experience with this portable and efficient tool, turning your ideas into reality with precision and ease. Wireless Charger Atmosphere Lamp. The Wireless eCharger speaker alarm clock equipped with a 10W mobile phone wireless fast charging function. You can charge your smartphone by putting it on the desk lamp, which is really convenient and practical. Note: the mobile phone must have wireless charging function and must be plugged in. Smart Bluetooth speaker. Wireless connectivity for answering and making calls. The G-shaped LED wireless charge speaker lamp delivers clear sound for a better music experience. With the upgraded G design, this smart lamp is not only an ambient light but also a speaker, music player, sleep light, atmosphere light, bedside lamp, colorful light display, Bluetooth speaker system, clock, and alarm. You can use this excellent desk lamp for work, study, reading, and sleep. Pop-out outlet. The pop-out outlet is a sleek and practical solution for modern electrical needs. Designed to blend seamlessly into your decor, this innovative outlet pops out when needed and neatly tucks away when not in use. With multiple socket options, it provides flexibility for various devices and charging needs. Ideal for kitchens, offices, and living spaces, the pop-out outlet offers a clutter-free and aesthetic solution to power access. Upgrade your space with this discreet and functional electrical outlet, where convenience meets design for a modern and efficient power solution in any room. Nanoleaf Light Panels. Nanoleaf light panels redefine home lighting with their futuristic design and customizable illumination. These modular, triangular LED panels allow users to create personalized light patterns and dynamic color scenes, transforming walls into interactive art. With touch-sensitive controls and integration with smart home ecosystems, Nanoleaf light panels offer a unique and immersive lighting experience. Perfect for enhancing ambience, the panels are energy efficient and easily mountable. Elevate your space with this innovative lighting solution, where technology and design converge to bring a new level of creativity and atmosphere to your home or workspace. Divum Pixa Bluetooth Pixel Art. The Divum Pixa Bluetooth Pixel Art display is a fusion of creativity and technology. This compact and versatile device lets you design and display pixel art animations using its user-friendly app. With Bluetooth connectivity, it doubles as a speaker, providing both visual and auditory stimulation. Perfect for personalizing your space, the Pixu adds a touch of uniqueness to any environment. Whether showcasing pixel art designs or playing your favorite tunes, this device elevates the ambience with a harmonious blend of visual and audio aesthetics for a truly immersive and customizable experience. The Recon is a one-passenger eVTOL multi-copter aircraft with a top speed of 63 miles per hour, 101 kilometers per hour, and has a range of 25 miles, 40 kilometers. The aircraft sports 6 propellers, 6 electric motors, an open cockpit and open-frame fuselage. The multicopter is capable of making land-based and water takeoff and landings. This feature will be a big plus for customers as no prepared runways will be needed for flights and landings. Water landings and takeoffs will be very practical on our planet where 71% of the surface is water. It will be easy to learn to fly the Recon multicopter because the aircraft features advanced artificial intelligence assistance and has simple cockpit controls. Extensive training will not be needed to pilot the aircraft. This type of computer-aided piloting will expand the reach of people who might have never thought they would be able to fly an aircraft, but with the Recon, they will be capable of flying the aircraft. Bayonet's Turismo Hoverbike. Bayonet's Turismo Hoverbike merges innovation and thrill in a futuristic aerial experience. Designed for adrenaline enthusiasts, this cutting-edge hoverbike combines sleek aesthetics with advanced technology, offering a unique mode of personal transport. With its powerful electric propulsion system and intuitive controls, Turismo effortlessly hovers above terrain, providing an exhilarating journey. Engineered for safety and performance, it redefines urban mobility. Whether soaring through cityscapes or exploring open landscapes, the Bayonet's Turismo Hoverbike promises an unmatched fusion of style and excitement, symbolizing the next generation of personal aviation. Ungoverned Drifter. Meet the Ungoverned Drifter, a rugged off-road vehicle designed to conquer any terrain. With its robust build and powerful engine, this all-terrain beast is engineered for the untamed. Whether navigating rocky landscapes or tearing through mud-soaked trails, the Ungoverned Drifter offers an unrivaled off-road experience. Featuring advanced suspension and intuitive controls, it ensures a smooth ride even in the most challenging environments. Dominate the wild with this off-road marvel, as the Ungoverned Drifter redefines the boundaries of adventure and sets the stage for exploration without limits. Snejik Freeride. Introducing the Snejik Freeride, a snow enthusiast's dream come true. This high-performance snowboard blends cutting-edge technology with precision engineering to deliver an exhilarating ride down powder-covered slopes. With its responsive design and state-of-the-art materials, the Snejik Freeride ensures unmatched control and agility, allowing riders to conquer steep descents and navigate through deep snow effortlessly. Whether you're carving fresh tracks or tackling challenging backcountry terrain, the Snejik Freeride is the ultimate companion for riders seeking the perfect blend of style, performance, and freedom on the snow-covered mountainside. Carkol. Carkol, a beacon of automotive excellence, redefines luxury transportation. Meticulously crafted with a perfect fusion of elegance and innovation, Carkol vehicles exude sophistication on every journey. Seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with sleek design, each Carkol model promises a driving experience beyond compare. From electric efficiency to opulent interiors, Carkol paves the way for the future of automotive indulgence. Embrace a new era of travel where style meets performance, as Carkol takes you on a journey that transcends the ordinary, setting new standards for automotive refinement and grace. Mudox Vengeance. Embrace off-road dominance with the Mudox Vengeance, a relentless all-terrain vehicle engineered for extreme adventures. Unleashing sheer power and agility, the Vengeance conquers mud, rocks, and challenging landscapes with ease. Its robust build, combined with advanced suspension, ensures unrivaled stability and control, making it the ultimate off-road companion. Whether navigating through dense forests or plowing through muddy terrains, the Mudox Vengeance commands respect. With cutting-edge technology and rugged design, this off-road beast stands as a symbol of fearless exploration, providing enthusiasts an adrenaline-fueled experience like never before. Van Rom Easy Sport Small. The Van Rom Easy Sport Small is a game-changer in the world of adaptive cycling. Tailored for individuals with diverse needs, this recumbent tricycle seamlessly combines comfort and accessibility. Its compact design and ergonomic features make it an ideal choice for those seeking a smaller frame without compromising on performance. The Easy Sport Small offers a smooth and stable ride, emphasizing inclusivity and ease of use. With customizable options and Van Rom's commitment to quality, riders of all abilities can now experience the joy of cycling in a versatile and thoughtfully designed recumbent trike. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.